Yan, no? Dito talaga ako nag-start, no? Sa G, 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 A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So, natural scale, kahit saan natin i-move, no? Pero, dito ako sa 7th fret. Mas, sa akin, mas komportable. Tapos, mayroon dito, no? Dalawa. So, yan. So, pwedeng i-slide. No, akyat. Yan. Tapos, yan. Tapos, C sharp. C. Ayan, no? So, dito ko tinatama yung B flat. Tapos, F pa akyat dito. Para hindi masyadong. Tapos, dito D. Fourth string, 7th, 4th string. So, dito sa C, pakyat. Yan. Tapos, B flat, A, F, D, B flat. B flat. Yan, no? Tapos A. Okay. So A, B flat, B flat, A, F. Ito F, B flat, A, F, D, B flat, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. So, no? No? B flat A, B flat A, B flat D, yan, no? B flat A, F, D, B flat A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. And so, din lang trick no? And then, I feel so unsure. Dito, madali na masyado ito, no? So, A, G, F. Ito. F, D. Da, A, B flat, D, F, D, A. Dance floor E. Okay? Yan. As the music dies. Ayan. D, E, D. D, E, D, F dies. D, E. Da, 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 dies. Air calls my mind. The silver screen. A, B, da, da. Ano? D. Yan. F, A, G, F, E, D. Yan. Tapos yung I'm never gonna dance again dito. I'm never gonna. Yan. Yan G. Dito yung G. Got no rhythm. Yan. Tapos though it's easy easy to pretend. Da 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 not it easy to pretend. Da, da, da. I know you're not a fool. I should have known better than to cheat a friend. The ways that you G E F E then that was da 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 D da 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 D E E D E F E do. Then paulitin siya sa time can never. So yung melody niya balik na naman. Time can never mend D. Okay. Yan. And, the F the F no, ito F tapos ito F no na second octave. The of the dude friend. Yan. Tapos D E D D D D D D to the heart and mind D D D E D D D D dito yung B ba? Or pwede dito? Pero dito lang. Ignorance is C. Stretching, no? Pain is a heart. Yan. Pain is all you. Ito pala. Pain is the heart. Pain. Pain is the yan. Okay. And tapos now we're gonna dance again. Ulit-ulit na siya, no? Yan. Ooh. And then ito yung should have known better than to cheat a friend. So makita nyo yung paulit-ulit lang siya. So and tonight the music seems so loud. Yan, no? GB G yan, no? G B A A G B A G E E G B A A G B E G E E G G G A A G G tapos E F sharp F sharp E ether with the things I say, F sharp E want to say, yeah. Well, we hurt each other with the things we want to say. Tapos we could have been so good. G A B A G ever. stay. Tapos balik siya sa I'm never gonna dance again. A, F sharp. Ah. 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 Guilty feeling, got no rhythm. Da 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 da. I should have known better than to cheat a friend. Do F way. They said D D D F D F D G F E D F F F E E D D D E E D E F G U. So yun ang